recording us?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to record us, sir.
So we're going to ask you to leave.
What?
We're going to ask you to leave.
Why?
We're admonishing you, otherwise we're going to go ahead and set you up. As long as you're not in disrupting business, you're completely fine.
Okay. This is a perfectly legal activity, what I'm doing.
Yep. And I agree.
Okay.
We confirmed with the sergeant, so you're all good.
The guys that just enforced the law just left and told me I'm fine to be here, so I don't...
Well, they don't.
Do you want to like call them back or?
No, that's court security.
Okay.
So I'm the director of the court here.
Okay.
So I know the rules of the court.
Gotcha.
Regardless of what they may tell you. So.
As far as you say, you're fine.
Okay.
You're fine, dude. It's a public area.
All right, so I gotta wait around for the guy that said he was gonna go get the cops. Did you get that straightened out?
I did, and it is as I said. So.
It's what?
I said it, and it is as I said. You have to have a judge's order in order to be recording in the courthouse. So, are you refusing to stop recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Can I get your name?
Yeah, I'll give you my business card.
Okay. I'm just here to gather information. I'm not
I don't know what you're getting
causing
by
any...
making clerks uncomfortable. That doesn't give you any information at all.
Oh. Okay.
There you go. You have a form too.
Oh, here, no. I don't want the form, just the business card too.
Okay.
Thanks.
You don't want to read up and you don't want to know the...
I don't need a media pass. This is free press. So,
What does that mean?
well, I mean,
If there are rules that apply to the press for recording in a courthouse, and you are part of the press as you claim, then they apply to you. It's not
Okay.
a First Amendment issue.
well, this is a government building.
There are restrictions on the First Amendment.
This is a government building, man. It's not the courthouse.
Restrictions on the First Amendment. It is a government building. The government has the
Public.
right to, and the government has the right to regulate its buildings.
So, I mean, the law enforcement people already came and said, I'm fine to do this.
I'm working with them.
But you want to like make them come back and tell you again, or?
I'm just following the rules. Okay, that's all I'm asking.
You're not though. You're just misinformed, man. I'm sorry.
I'm trying to give you the form so you can go and
Is
inform yourself.
this two copies of the same thing?
Yeah.
I'll just take one.
Okay. If you want to be informed, go read the rules.
Okay, for sure. So I'm gonna wait around until you get this straightened out, okay? I'll be right here. Yeah, have a good one, man.
I think one of the deputies is going to come up and talk to you. I mean, part of the issue is here is just out of consideration for other people who come up and they have court business. It's really about them. It's not so much trying to protect the court, but it's trying to protect people who they're having a bad day here usually when they're here, and they probably don't want to be on camera, and they don't want other people to be seeing what's happening to them. Same thing in the court building. It's like we have jurors and other people who are here, not necessarily because they want to be here, but because they're brought here for some other reason, and then to have somebody just kind of coming in and videotaping them. Again, consider their right to privacy, their right to be able to come to a public place and have their business heard without having somebody video record it. It's just not very compassionate or understanding their situation. So I just ask you to consider that. You know, you're in a situation because this is a county building where the deputies are a little bit at a loss of what to do. So you've accomplished that. But
I understand, there might be feelings involved, but there's also rights and the law and stuff like that.
I get it. And there are limitations.
If you can tell me I'm allowed to be here, if you can tell me that, I'll take off right now. If you succeed, I'll take off right now.
Yeah, I mean, I just gave you what I think is a rule of court that says...
I said it over there. I documented it all.
Okay.
So.
I mean, if you read it, I think it'll tell you that you can't...
That's to record courtroom proceedings.
No, but if you go in and you read the rule and you read what is defined as a courtroom, it would define both the entire court building. It talks about the entrances and the exits of the court building as
Okay.
well. So I think it covers.
Yep. So you said a deputy's coming?
Yeah, I think so. So.
You think so?
Yeah, he told me he was coming. So, I mean, they're busy. They're trying to deal with, we have, people
Yeah.
in court that they're trying to deal with, and that's
Two
important.
of them already came though.
What's that?
Two of them already came and
Yeah, I
talked
think
to
the
me
sergeant was going to talk to you.
and gave me the okay. I just want you to understand that.
Right, but again, I'm telling you that they're not always informed about rules of court. Like, their job is generally to patrol and understand law as it pertains to, maybe what things you can bring into the courthouse. But
Okay.
sometimes there are things that they might not know or be aware of, especially as you get patrol officers who rotate through here. They're not always experts on what happens in a courthouse. That's just kind of
Okay.
the way the sausage gets made.
All right. Well, I'm trying to make you understand. I'm allowed to do this. I'm allowed to be here. I understand people might get hurt about it, but I would have been gone by now if this interaction hadn't occurred.
Okay. Then what's
I asked a question. They got all offended. Didn't answer my question.
But you're not allowed, I mean, that's a whole different law. You're not allowed to be video recording somebody else without their consent.
That's not true. Again, you're misinformed. If you're in public, there's no expectation of privacy in public. This is a public building, a government
what
center.
authority are you using for that?
No, that's just common knowledge, man. It's
Comment on, but there's got to be some authority, right? There's got to
Well,
be some legal authority that
for the
says
First
you can do that,
Amendment.
right?
The First Amendment is the highest legal authority
There are
right there.
limitations on
Freedom
the
of
First-
press.
There are limitations on the First Amendment.
Freedom of press is all you really need to know, man.
There are
That's
limitations
it.
on freedom of press,
Okay,
right?
well,
You
your
can't slander people,
deputies,
you can't be liable, right? You understand
right?
that as a member of the
Yeah,
media?
I'm not doing that here.
So you understand there are limitations on what...
I understand that,
Okay,
yes.
so-
And there are restricted areas.
So California
This is not
has
one
a
of them.
law that says you cannot video record people without their consent.
That's not true.
So we'll agree to disagree.
Okay.
But
So
hopefully, if you got what you needed, it'd be great if you just,
if you tell me I'm okay to record in here, I'll take off,
I
man.
don't think you, well, okay, so if I tell you you're okay to record here, you'll leave?
But I want you to understand that I am, man. I'm okay to record in here. The two deputies already came and told you that. And you just don't like what I'm doing, so you're making up your own rules. And the way you interpret the law.
I gave you what rule I'm going on.
That's to film and record courtroom proceedings. And I've seen that, and I know that. MC 500, I know that.
It's an extension of the courthouse.
Gotcha, man. Okay, well, keep doing you. I'm gonna hang around, I guess.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going, man? Did you get called over here?
I did.
Okay.
How's it going?
Okay, I just wish these guys would understand that this is a public building and I'm allowed to be here and record. So, I've already talked to two deputies. They've cleared it with their
I'm
sergeant.
the boss here, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just wondering, what are you doing here?
Just recording. I was trying to show my audience the Santa Cruz Government Center. And I
Okay.
asked her a question and she didn't want to, she got all offended immediately, so.
You understand that she's serving like people that are coming here for court business, like.
I understand. I know her job.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, if you had a question about a ticket or some court matter that you needed help with, she'd be happy to help you. You understand that? Okay. So,
Well, I'm assuming, but I mean, you're assuming that, but
what's that?
you're assuming that.
Do you have your ID on you?
No.
Okay. I need to see some identification and get your identification.
Why?
Because you're in a public building and you're recording in here.
I'm not going to give you ID.
Okay. I need to, okay? For the purpose of, this could be a security issue later.
I'm not going to give you my ID, man.
Okay. Well, here's the deal. You're not going to give me your name or anything like that?
I'm waiting for the guy. I have business here with that guy in there.
Which guy?
The guy, Tim Newman, whatever.
Yeah, he already talked to me.
This
He
guy.
wants me to arrest you. So I don't want to do that.
Okay.
Okay? So if you won't give me your name, you won't identify yourself, I'm going to ask you to leave the courthouse. Okay? Leave the government facility.
The government building.
Yeah. The government
I have business here. I'll leave the area, but I'm going to go upstairs and keep looking around.
What business do you have?
Gathering information.
Okay.
I need to know how to send my people to different places and locations inside this building.
Who are your people? What do you mean your people?
I'm not going to answer any more questions.
Okay, well then you need to leave the building.
I'll go with it. Are you going to escort me?
I need you to leave the building, okay?
What's going on? Why are
You want to
I
identify
have
yourself
business
real
here.
quick?
I don't need to identify myself
I have
to
a
you.
business too. And
I don't
have
need to
identify you.
identify myself to you.
You do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
Actually, no, I don't.
I'm asking you to, and I have a right to ask for it.
Okay, you can ask for it. Go for it.
Okay, you need to leave the building. Hey, Rudy. You need to come over and help me with this one.
Can you back up, man? What's your
I'm
deal?
not backing up. I'm just waiting for you to leave the building. I'm going to follow you till you leave. At this point, you're disrupting the government
No,
facility.
you're disrupting my business here.
So here's the deal. I'm going to arrest you if you don't leave right now. Okay? Then I
For
will
what?
get your identification.
Can you just tell me for what?
For disrupting a government building. I have the code right here. I can show it to you
go
after I
ahead and show
arrest
it
you.
to me.
I'm not going to show it to you. I'll arrest you, then I'll show it to you. How's that? Your choice. Are you going to leave? You need to leave? Right now?
What's your name?
I'll give you my card.
Okay, yeah, let me get your card.
No, I'll give you my card after we're done here. Let's
Give me
go.
your card and I'll leave.
Oh, sure, I'll give you the card.
I just need to know where to file a complaint. 5200 Soquel?
You can file a complaint. Here's my name.
And also a lawsuit, man. You're violating my First Amendment right now. I hope you know that Santa Cruz is open for a lawsuit now.
That's great. Good for you.
Dude, I have a lawyer on retainer, man.
Here you go. Here's my name.
That's your business card?
That's not my, I don't have a business card on me right now. It's
Come
my
on,
name.
Yanez.
Okay? You need to leave right now. Time to go.
Time to go. I'm leaving. Back.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Let's go ahead and,
Yeah, direct search anything on me.
you're under arrest.
Well, guys, that was some bullshit. They kept me in there for about 5 hours. I was arrested for 148A and 6021.